What's up, YouTube? I got a new product and it's going to be doing 10 grand with its first initial order. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I love talking about Amazon FBA, motivational content, and just getting people in the right mindset to go build their own business and break out of the 9-to-5 or whatever you're in right now. I want you guys to step up and build up that personal development. So with that said, the reason I'm making this video is to give you some tips and some insight on ideas that you can implement with your own Amazon FBA business. Now, if you don't already know, Fulfillment by Amazon is an awesome business model where you're going to ship inventory from overseas into Amazon warehouses. When then customers will buy your product, Amazon's going to ship it out to them. So you basically make money in your sleep. It's the coolest thing I've ever seen. And after graduating college and seeing what society was about to throw me into, I said, heck no to that, and I'm sticking with this. So the big thing that I want to let you guys know is about high ticket items selling on Amazon and building a product brand. These are two things that go hand in hand that are going to make you so much money. And basically the only thing you have to do is get a product research tool called Jungle Scout. And I'm going to have that link down below for you guys. You're able to find products in a certain price range within a certain category that don't have a lot of competition but are still making a lot of sales. Now, the best part about these high ticket items is that you're doing the same amount of work to get them as if you're selling a lower ticket item that's going to make you less money per sale. The only thing that deters people from selling high ticket items is that it's a much larger startup cost. But think about it, you can maybe still only get 50 units or 100 units to start out this product, and it's not going to cost you too much, and whatever happens, you're still going to be making more money because you're selling the product for 3 or 4 times what you bought it for. So the new product I got, guys, it's literally going to be selling for $200 and I'm getting it for 60 bucks. I ran the numbers, and after Amazon fees and everything, I will be making $103 per sale, and my initial order of this product is going to be just 100 units. So it's not too risky. Honestly, you can sell out of 100 units pretty quickly on Amazon. And what I'm most excited about is that this is going to be the 4th product in my beauty brand. And if you don't already know, I like building Instagrams and social media pages for my product brand so that it's building up more an asset value for the entire thing, so that one day when I want to go sell the brand, which a lot of people are actually paying hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars to buy out brands, I'm going to have a big asset already built. I'll have 4 products. I mean, they're already doing about 10 to 15,000 a month in profit. I want to now scale up this next product, so I'm doing, 20 to 30,000 bucks in profit a month, and then I can literally flip that brand for so much money. And that's basically the big end game that I have planned. So I want to build up a brand, sell it, and then use that money to go build more brands. And the best part is, once you learn this thing once you learn how to launch a single product and then build up a brand and then launch that brand and sell it, that's basically what you do to rinse and repeat the process, and you'll be able to build brands faster and faster every time. Just take it one step at a time. I've been in this game for only a year and a half, and it's already changed my life dramatically. The biggest thing that really set me apart was basically getting these high ticket items, guys. So I have other research videos on this channel that you guys can go check out my YouTube channel. And I have a full Amazon course where I give one-on-one mentorship to people, literally like hop on Skype calls with them, go through product research with them, and help them even find products. So this is what I'm after, guys. I'm after helping a lot of people. That's the only reason I'm creating this YouTube channel, to also help build my personal brand and reputation that I am out here really trying to help people. My big goal ultimately, besides just Amazon, because I am a social type of person, I want to be up on stage. I want to be motivating big crowds. I want to be the next Tony Robbins. All right, Grant Cardone, I'm coming for you guys. So that's all I wanted to say in this video, guys. I'm just dropping this new product. I passed the hazmat review, and that's basically something that Amazon requires for a lot of new products, especially if they're electronic. They just want you to fill out some quick information and let you know that it's not going to blow up in their warehouse when they're storing it for you. So I passed that. I'm super stoked. My first initial order was, like I said, $59.85 times 100, so just under 6,000 bucks to get 100 units in, guys. And that's literally going to generate me a $10,000 profit on top of making that 6,000 bucks that I spent on it back. So I'll be making 16 grand in total after selling out of just 100 units. and I'm really excited to build up this product because there's only one other person selling it, and I've already seen the demand for this thing. It's already through the roof. It's already complementing the product I originally sell right now. It just has a different piece on it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm also trying to meet right now with my bank who's going to call me. I'm setting up a new business bank account. So I got to go, guys. Peace out. Hello?
Hey, Luke. Calling from Chase Bank in Mill Creek. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. You're from where?
Mill Creek branch, Chase.
Oh, the Chase Bank. Yeah, I was calling about the business bank account.